This is the brief on the professional crochet pattern design of drawing on 30 years of experience and a real production line background. Ukrainian designer treats her patterns as precise, foolproof technical training manuals. First, let's look at her step-by-step photos. Unlike designers who just show you finished products, she acts as your personal visual tutor by using heavily annotated close-ups. For instance, she uses explicit blue arrows to show exactly where to insert your hook for a back loop-only stitch. She even lays a tape measure right across the fabric to prove the exact gauge. I mean, isn't it an absolute game changer to literally see the mechanics with your own eyes rather than just guessing at a block of text? Second, notice her strict standardization of professional terminology. Because her visuals are so precise, her language matches perfectly. She completely rejects all that QT baby talk, relying strictly on standard industry abbreviations, like SL, ST for slip stitch. To guarantee universal understanding, she provides both written instructions and visual symbol charts. It's kind of like a pilot's checklist. Why leave room for interpretation when a universal technical language guarantees a perfect flight? Finally, all this clear communication creates a totally stress-free execution. Thinking like a production lead, she builds reliability right in. She uses a memorable 4-row beanie repeat so you aren't constantly rereading, and she applies very specific finishing techniques, like folding the hat inside out for a seamless join, then cinching the crown with a blunt tapestry needle. You might think technical rigor makes it harder, right? No way. It actually reduces mental fatigue, making the craft genuinely relaxing. By fusing annotated photography, standardized terminology, and repeatable construction, she completely removes the guesswork and elevates a simple project into an accessible masterclass.